All right. It's Brian Frill, and I'm back. So today we're going to just go ahead and do a little bit different video than we've done before. I usually come online and show you guys how to make that passive income here, 2022. I always find different ways to make the easiest way possible to make different types of crypto, whether it be Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, whatever, Litecoin, whatever. There's different ways to make all kinds of crypto, right? Well, today I'm going to do a little something different because I had someone actually ask me a great question, and I'm going to go ahead and show an example of how to resolve this question, or actually find a solution. And this, there's different ways to find different solutions to different opportunities, and it's just one solution that I have. So before we get into that, let's go ahead and let you know that I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything you do in life, offline and online, is a risk. Do your own due diligence and accept your own risk for your own actions. Seek financial advice from a professional regarding your own financial situation. And most importantly, never spend money you cannot afford to lose. Got it? Cool. All right, so I had one of my viewers leave a comment recently on one of my previous videos that they enjoyed about how to get the passive income. And their question pretty simple, something that I've thought about, and I explained it a little bit here and there, but haven't really gone into too much detail. So I thought I'd take some opportunity to give you a little bit more detail on what I do with this free crypto. His question was to the effect of, now that we've made this free crypto, how can we make more money with this free crypto? What do we do to earn even more money now that you showed us how to make these passive income streams? And that's what I want to do here. So the overall picture that I like to do with my crypto is I like to actually earn passive crypto, meaning I don't need to have any referrals, don't need to make a deposit, just go the way. Now, you will find out in cryptocurrency space that you're always going to pay with something. You're either going to pay with time or you're going to pay with money, okay? If you have no money, it's going to take you a little bit more time to make crypto. But if you have some money, then you can earn crypto. You'll spend that money and you'll actually make crypto faster. So you're always going to pay with your time or money if you decide what's right for you and your financial situation and what your goals are. Me, personally, I like to do both. It's just a good mix. In my opinion, that's what I do. That's what I've been doing. So you can do the same or do what's right for you. But I want to show you two websites that I've been talking about that I earn free crypto from. And then I'll show you how I transition that into making more money on other sites as well, okay? So first of all, let's get into, these are all the videos that you've seen here that I show you, I've been showing you for years on how to make this free crypto, right? Like I said, most everything I show you, you don't need any deposits, don't need any referrals. But if you do have referrals or you do make a deposit, then of course you can earn money faster. That's totally your choice. But let me show you these two websites. We'll go ahead and make a couple of instant withdrawals, and then we'll go ahead and flip that into my next project. So one of the sites I really like here is CoinPot. It's a new site here in 2022. Very easy to do. Simple tasks. You have an email address verified in order to register for this free website. I'll leave a link below this video on how to get started with CoinPot, as I have made a video before about all the details. But the basic thing I'd like to do here is I come in, I click the faucet claim, and on the faucet claim, you can actually claim this faucet once every 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and like a little timer countdown here. We'll do a click claim here, and then we'll actually do a payout from this website. They do pay instantly, and they don't charge any fees to make your instant withdrawal, okay? So just basically ignore a lot of the pop-ups you see here. That's how they earn their money. It's how we get paid as well. So we'll go ahead and click on the anti-bot links here. Cat, tiger, fox. Click the upside down picture. Boom. We'll boost that. And then this will go ahead and give us, let's see, 55 coins. Yeah, 55 points to 2 coins. All right, perfect. Then there's other things that you can do here on the site to get more. You can do a point-to-click ads, you can do daily bonuses, so forth and so on. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to withdraw this right now, instantly, whatever we earned here, and then we'll move on to show what I do next. So I've got 4,647 coins to withdraw. and we're going to go ahead and take advantage of that now. So we'll click on withdraw right here. And it says pretty simple. You select the payment method, select your currency of choice, you pick the payout method, double check your information, you know, the basic stuff. So what I do here is I pay out to Faucet Pay, because Faucet Pay actually has the fastest payout without any fees at all. I like to get paid in Bitcoin, so I'm going to go ahead and travel here. And this lets me know that for this website, I've got 4,647 coins, which will equate to this much in Bitcoin. The minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coins, and there's no fee when withdrawing to Faucet Pay. So we'll go ahead and get this withdrawal done now. Now, before we do that, let's jump over to Faucet Pay so you can see. Also with Faucet Pay, if you come back every day and log in to the dashboard, you'll actually earn reward points, which can be traded in for other bonuses or actual crypto right here on the Faucet Pay website. And Faucet Pay is a great site to actually collect little smaller crypto payments and kind of build them up there until you're ready to actually convert them into something else or spend them somewhere else or cash them out, whatever you decide. So I'll show you right now that the last deposit or withdrawal I attempted was back on March 18th, and so you'll see that that is the current. Go ahead and refresh and show you that's current. No big deal, not a lot of money sitting here, but I just want to see how easy it is to go ahead and get free crypto. So we'll jump back over to CoinPot and open up that one. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to withdraw. All right, let's verify as Faucet Pay is the wallet we're going to use. Bitcoin is the currency. Here's the amount of coins to trade in, amount of Bitcoin I'm going to receive, email address to be used with Faucet Pay, and we'll confirm that. All right, and we are good to go. All right, jump over to Faucet Pay. Let's refresh, and you'll see that now we have CoinPot paid us out the Bitcoin as it just mentioned there. Okay, cool. So that's one's paid off. The second one I like to use is another site called Kitty Earner. Now this one's really cool too. You get paid for doing the same faucets, also point to click, just like the other website there. And you can actually stack or stake your crypto on the site to earn more crypto if you want to here. I'm not yet, as I actually do my staking on a different website, which we'll get to in just a moment. But really cool here. We'll go ahead and grab another faucet claim real quick, and we'll see where we are. This faucet here, it only takes, you can actually do it every 1 minute. The first CoinPot, you actually have to do those faucets. You have to wait 5 minutes in between times that you claim. See, I've got the little countdown timer right here, counting us down to when we can actually make our next claim. And but on Kitty Earner, it's only every 1 minute, and you actually earn 250,000 coins, which go in right here, and you get paid out in Bitcoin to Faucet Pay as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll another 250,000 coins real quick. We'll click the anti-bot links below in the right order. So that's going to be tiger, elephant, ant, and then plane. Click on the plane, scroll down, and collect your reward. Boom. All right, and with just like that, we'll go ahead and get paid 250,000 coins. Add it to your balance right here. Let's go ahead and withdraw that. And this is another site that you only need to have a verified email address to go ahead and get paid out to your Faucet Pay account. So make sure you use a verified email address. I've got mine verified. Now, you do have to wait until these different things are filled up, depending on which one you want to get paid out in. Bitcoin is full, so I'm going to actually get paid out in Bitcoin for this example. I could get paid in Tron or Litecoin or Shiba, and it tells you, these three are going to Faucet Pay. This one's Coinbase. This is Faucet Pay. This is Faucet Pay. So Shiba is the only one that goes to Coinbase. All the rest will go to Faucet Pay. So there'll be a link below this video for Faucet Pay. But I'm going to actually cash this amount of coins here for this amount of Bitcoin. We'll click on Bitcoin. We'll click withdraw. And then go ahead and, because it's boom, 55 Satoshis have been sent to Faucet Pay. We'll go to Faucet Pay and refresh that site. And we'll see that we've earned from Kitty Earner as well. So there it is, 2 sites back to back that pay you instantly when you would make your withdrawal process, and there's no fees to withdraw and get instant payout to the Faucet Pay account. Okay, so with that being said, let's get on to what I do with this money now. So after I receive the money, I then like to go ahead and convert it to another crypto, if need be, to actually deposit or make an investment on another website, depending on which one you want to choose, and that's the website's going to earn me even more crypto. The site that I like to use is going to be Stake BNB. With Stake BNB, you simply are just staking your crypto here. Your is being staked, and then the company uses your money to go ahead and invest in other programs, and then they come back and reward you daily based on how much you've invested. You can earn up to 1% per day, and you'll actually continue to earn until you have doubled your actual deposit. Okay, so right now this deposit, I'm at 165% has been earned, and there is a minimum payout of $10 to go ahead and get paid out on this, but it does work in BNB. So we'll go ahead and we'll make a request here. Look at my wallet, and we'll see we have $13 to withdraw there. So this is a really cool site. Another site that I've shown you guys here on my page here. I showed you right here, Stake BNB. You get couple different videos I made on about how this program works. Very inexpensive. I believe the minimum to get started is 0.1. Matter of fact, let's just take a look. To get started with this, you have to have BNB and the Binance Smart Chain version, and 0.1 is the smallest amount to get started. 0.25 BNB, half a BNB, 1 BNB, and it goes on up and up and up. And then you actually continue to earn this BNB until you actually earn double of what you put in. Okay, so that's the goal here, is to double your BNB. So like I said, I take money from these free websites like CoinPot or Kitty Earner, collect all those little micro payments there, collect them all together, and then I go in and then I can invest them into other programs like the BNB stake here. Now this program, it actually requires to have BNB. As you see from Faucet Pay, I don't have BNB being earned right now. So what I'll actually do is I'll go to another site called Simple Swap, and I convert my Bitcoin into BNB. So I would send my Bitcoin from my Faucet Pay account. I'll send it to this website here. They'll convert it to BNB for me, and then send it back to whatever BNB wallet address I give them. And therefore from there, I can take that BNB and actually deposit it into my Stake BNB account here, or whatever program I want to actually double or triple my crypto even further. And therefore taking free money, taking into even more money. And by doing this method, you're using money that you earned. So it's really like house money. Think like going to the casino. You know, you go in and you win 50 bucks. If you now put your money away and just gamble on that 50 bucks, you're gambling on house money. It's free money, so you're not coming out of pocket. Okay, so if something goes wrong and something happens where you somehow lose that money, it's not really a risk, per se, because you're actually spending people's money. You're spending profits. You're not coming out of pocket. So you're not, negative if you were to invest your earnings into something else. It's just, that's how the world works. You earn, like if you got a day job, you earn money at your day job, and then you take that money and you invest it in whatever you like, whether it be crypto, whether it be motorcycles, or it be sports, or it be family. You take that money, invest it in something else that you're more interested in. That's the same thing we're doing here, taking these free profits from a couple websites and rolling them into invest in other websites that have a deposit that can earn us even more money. So it's the same pattern going over and over and over again. And we'll go ahead and we'll do a withdrawal here real quick from a BNB stake. Now this one, it does actually need to get verified, so it takes about 24 hours for payments to be verified here. I've been getting paid from here since January 1st. I usually get paid out on the weekends, just by choice. You can get paid anytime you want, but I've just been getting on the weekends, and it's happened sometimes be on holidays also, but no worries, I always got paid within 24 hours. So we'll go ahead and we'll make another withdrawal here and get this money as well. So like I said, this is the amount you're going to get, you have earned, the address is going to go to, is the admin fees that keeps the project going. Team share bonus, I talked more about that in my video, which I'll leave below this video, the link to watch that, so you can understand how to get started with BNB or Stake BNB. We'll go ahead and put in my code here real quick and withdraw these funds. All right, so those funds have been withdrawal requests submitted. They'll get approved. Like I said, it's always within 24 hours. that they approve the funds and they wind up in your account. And like I said, we're going to continue to earn on this deposit I've made here until I've earned 200% of my deposit. So this 0.1 will become 0.2. I think it's actually 2.5%. Matter of fact, let me go back and just make sure. I believe it's actually 2.5% that you're gonna, or 2.5 times, if I'm not mistaken. It's at least 2%. Either way, you're doubling your BNB, doubling your crypto, taking some free money, turning it into double your profits. Very easy, very, very, very simple ways. So that's pretty much the basics of how I do this. You know, you can, like I said, you can do anything you want with your money, figure out what's best for you. You can always come over to CoinMarketCap and you can collect some diamonds here through CoinMarketCap. Again, you just need to have a verified email address with them, and then you can use these diamonds to go ahead and buy other things here on CoinMarketCap. But the reason why I like CoinMarketCap website is because you can actually see all the different prices of all the different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin #1, I just showed you BNB #4 in the world. So you can learn all about different cryptocurrencies here. You can find out different rates, how they're trending, how they're going up, and then where to actually buy these cryptos if you wanted to actually buy some crypto or needed to exchange it somewhere else on different exchanges. Like I said, I use SimpleSwap. It's a free program. It doesn't require any kind of registration or anything just to actually swap one crypto for another. And the different types of crypto that they offer that they can swap is pretty vast. So they have a very huge list of cryptos they support. Like I said, check it out on your own time, and you know, just find out what works best for you. This works best for Brian. It's not financial advice. So again, you know, it works best for you. All right. So go ahead and let me know if you like this video by hitting that like button. And I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button so you get added to my YouTube channel. And then also smash that bell icon. That way you get notified each and every time I come online to show you how we make that crypto here in 2022. And then, like always, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos. If you have any suggestions for new videos, like I said, this video is made on behalf of one of the comments that was left to me previously on my earlier videos. I'm glad to always help you guys out any way I can, getting that free crypto, turning into more money, more money, more money. All right, Brian Farrell signing out. Let's get that crypto, baby. Peace.